Prachi, and today I'm going to show you how to apply the perfect eyeliner using a comb and a primer, so just keep watching. Now the first thing you obviously need is a long tail comb like this one. However, if you don't have a comb like this, you can use a brush, makeup brush, anything with a tail like this. It's a very simple design. I'm sure if you look around the house, you'll be able to find something like this. And then just clean it up very well because you'll be using this in the eye area, so you want it to be really clean. Then take a primer. Primer is the best option. However, if you don't want to use a primer, if you don't have a primer, you can also use a concealer or a foundation in place of a primer. And then just very generously apply it on the edge of the comb like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to hold the comb like this, perfectly aligned from the end of the eye to the eyebrows. So this is basically a foolproof method of doing what? Well, of marking the point up to which you need to draw your eyeliner. So what happens is that, sometimes when you're doing your eyeliner, it will stretch too far or too far behind. With this, you have the perfect dimension in place. It cannot go wrong after this. And if you're a beginner, if you're really struggling with your eyeliner, the next step is just take the tip of the same comb, or you can use a makeup brush also for this, and just draw a rough borderline kind of a thing. What happens is that, for example, if you're a painter and if you're painting something which is very complicated, you first want to draw everything with a pencil, right? Because drawing everything with a pencil gives you a boundary, and if you want to erase something, if you've made mistakes, you can easily erase it. So obviously something like a primer or a concealer or a foundation, which is much easier to remove, is a good option. Then take your eyeliner and hold it upside down like this first, because eyeliner, liquid eyeliner especially, it can get settled in the bottom like this, right? So when you hold it upside down, the thick part can actually roll down slowly like this, and then very gently just shake your bottle in this way. Do not shake it too rigorously, because if there are little lumps forming, it will, for example, when you're cooking and there are lumps forming in your cooking, you don't just do this. You swirl it like gently and nicely so that everything can actually melt into the formula. This is how you actually, shake your eyeliner bottle. In fact, even with nail polishes, this is how you're actually supposed to shake it. You don't just shake it like rigorously, because that's not a good idea. And for beginners especially, I would recommend that you use an eyeliner with a long wand. What happens is that, for example, when you're drawing with a pencil, for instance, you want the pencil to be long. If the pencil is too short, it will not give you a good grip and you'll not be able to draw properly. So buy an eyeliner with a long wand like this one and a thin brush tip. The one that I'm using is a Stay Quirky Badass eyeliner, and I love it because it gives you one stroke application. So you're not like going back and forth, because that's obviously going to result in more mistakes, especially for the beginners. So a one stroke application is just great. It has a matte finish. Plus the eyeliner is smudge proof, waterproof, and also it's transfer resistant. So I think it works in a lot of ways. Plus it's sleek and travel friendly, so you can even keep it in your jeans pocket, you can keep it in a little bag, anywhere you want to carry it, you can carry it around. And yeah, that's it. You just take your eyeliner, shake it up a little bit, and then with your brush, make sure you wipe off the excess at the tip of the bottle. This is something like sharpening your pencil. Oh my god, so many pencil references in this video. Just swipe the excess of the tip of the bottle, which will make sure that your brush is like completely sleek and clean and ready for your eyeliner. Then of course, guys, a lot of people say that I get shaky hands when I'm applying eyeliner. Obviously, if you're going to hold your hand like this, it will shake. It will shake for anyone if you're applying your eyeliner like this. So hold your hand like this. If you want, you can rest your hands against a table or something as well. And most importantly, rest at least 1 or 2 fingers on your cheek, like I've said before. What happens, I've given this example in the past, so pardon me if you've already seen this part in one of my previous videos. What happens is when you're drawing a circle with a compass, one part of the compass is holding the compass still, right? And the other one is drawing the circle. So you need one stable base to be able to draw your circle correctly. It's the same thing with your hand. If your hand is unstable and shaky, this will not help. However, if your hand is nice and stable, 1 or 2 fingers resting on your cheek, you can actually just, flick it much more easily, your eyeliner. So just practice this for a few times. This will actually help you a lot, and since we have already formed a base using a primer, this should not be very difficult. And yes, once you feel more confident, just hold your eyeliner brush like you would hold a pencil, again another pencil reference, and just draw your eyeliner over the base that we have drawn. Any excess you can wipe it off using a clean cloth, and any excess of the primer, concealer, foundation, even that can be wiped off. You can get the perfect shape like that. What I want to share with you all over here is that sometimes, I see that like it happens to all of us. You suddenly, after applying your eyeliner, you realize that you don't have kajal, so you try to apply the eyeliner on the lower lid as well. That usually doesn't work, trust me. Usually doing that means that you will end up smudging your eyeliner very, very badly, because the lower eyelid is usually much more watery, and it kind of reacts in a different way. So try not to do that. And yeah, that's it. I know this sounds like a lot of work, but honestly it doesn't take much time, because see, all you're doing is primer, doing this, applying it very casually, and then just taking your eyeliner, doing this, and then applying it like this on your hand. I know that this video will make it sound very complicated, but if you try it once or twice, you'll actually be able to get the hang of this better. And with a few practice sessions, you slowly start getting more confident. You probably then won't even need all this hack and everything. But yes, till then, if you find this video useful, please share this video around with your friends. And also don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. Let me know if you have any eyeliner hacks of your own to share. As for the Stay Quirky Badass eyeliner, if you want to know more details, if you want to get this for yourself, it's available on purple.com. So I'll share the link in the description box below with all the details and everything. And yes, that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.